Pitfalls. Tonight we are going to talk about your peer editing pitfalls, what you should not do when you're writing your own papers and when you're editing your friends' essays. This will really help you when it comes time to write your first draft of your essay. So the first pitfall is your heading and font. Imagine your essay was commandeered by an outlaw, and this outlaw sends you a ransom note saying, if you don't follow what I want, then I will erase your essay. Don't make your essays look like ransom notes with different fonts, colors, and sizing. Also, make sure your essay header has your last name and page number on it. The second pitfall. You're probably wondering, how do I write the title in my essay? Well, the right way to do this is to use quotation marks around the title. The wrong way is really anything else. Don't use italics, underlines, or bold for this. We don't need to get creative here. The third pitfall is your thesis. In your thesis, do not use the author's full name or the title of the poem. Why not, you wonder? Well, because this is not sophisticated writing, and the reader already knows the poem you're talking about because you will have mentioned it earlier in your introduction. The fourth pitfall, your claim. Make sure you answer the questions what and why in every one of your claims. If you're not sure, ask yourself those questions before you continue. The fifth pitfall is evidence and reasoning. Please don't use quote bombs. Nobody likes the quote bomb. Instead, use portions or lines in your evidence. And when citing more than one line from a poem, use a slash to indicate where the line break is. When citing lines, use the line number only in parentheses after the quote. You don't need to write line or anything else. Pitfall number 6, your conclusion. Do not simply restate your thesis in your conclusion. Link it together for the reader and make it really clear. Remember, you want to spell it out for us. This is not a mystery novel. Pitfall number 7, proper use of pronouns. Do not use I, you, we, or us, or the audience, or say that the author paints a picture, or use the words uses or shows in your essay. This is not sophisticated writing, and if you're not sure what other words to replace it with, refer to the sheet on Schoology under the analysis essay materials, and that will help you out a lot. Next, after you're done with this video, you will go into Schoology and put these pitfalls to practice by following the instructions in the peer editing assignment. I hope you guys have a good rest of your weekend, and I look forward to seeing you all on Monday.